Hey guys, it's your girl Vicky and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, I welcome back. So this is the hairstyle we'll be making today, and if you're interested in seeing how I made it, keep on watching. For this hairstyle, you're going to need any coily hair of your choice, but in this video I used the Lush extension passion twist. It's in color 1 and the length is 30 inches. For me, the length was too much because I wanted a short hairstyle, so what I did was cut this into 2, and that was perfectly okay for me. You can decide to just leave it like so, but for me, I wanted a short hairstyle. Now I'm going to go ahead to section my hair. I'm going to start off with the front part, then later I'll go to the back. So I'm just cutting this front part the way I want it. You can decide to go with any style, but I'm just going to do few cornrows at the front. And now I'm using my edge control to clean up the part so I can have a neat finish. So guys, it's been a while I made my hair myself, so this hair might not come out as nice as I want it to be, or as nice as you might be thinking it should be, because now my skill is a bit rusty, but I'm sure with time I'm going to go back to having a neat finished braid. One thing I love about Fulani braids is the fact that you can decide to be creative. You can do any style design, any pattern you like, and you can just decide to leave it as plain as this. I'm using my hair to start this cornrow because I don't want to lose my edges, and as I proceed I'm going to be adding the Lush passion twist hair. And guys, if you want to do stitch braid with this style, you can definitely go ahead, but for me, I don't know how to do stitch braid, and that is why I stick to what I know. As you can see, I'm adding just a little bit of the passion twist there. I don't want this style to be too big on me. That's why I'm adding just a little bit. If you want yours to be big, you can decide to add as much as you want. Once I get to the tip of the hair, I'm going to add more of the passion twist hair just to make it a bit full, and I'm not going to finish everything. I'm going to stop midway and leave the coily parts alone. I've gotten to where I want the hair to stop, so now I'm going to take one piece of the hair and then use it to secure the end so it doesn't come off later. And with this, I'm done with the first one. Now let's continue with the second and every other one. So the mistake I did in the first one was I was supposed to make it a bow hole braid, but I did not take some of the hair out. But in the second part, I'm going to do that. Just keep watching this video. You're going to see what I'm doing. And now I'm done with the front part. This is the cornrow. This is how it's looking. Very simple, no too much work, and I love it. So that I'm going to go ahead to complete the back. I actually did bow braids for the back, and I had an assistant with the back with the pattern. My sister helped me. The pattern wasn't really straight, but it did what I wanted. For the back, I did not use too much extension, just like the front, because I don't want the hairstyle to be bulky, just like I said in the beginning of this video. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the extension bit by bit, and also I'm going to drop some so as to give it that boho effect. And I'm also not going to finish the hair to the tip, just so I can have a coily end as well. Guys, just keep watching this video, no need explaining further, so just keep watching. You're going to see what I'm doing. I'm done with this hairstyle and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I really love the style. Even with the fact that I said I did not want the hair to be bulky, it still looks big. And this is what I have left from the old pack. I only used just 2 bundles. So guys, if you love this video, if you watched to this moment and you love this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.